In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subscribe button on Squarespace. It's a great way to keep your audience engaged and informed about the latest updates on your site. Whether you're running a blog, a portfolio, or a business site, this little addition can make a big difference in growing your community. First things first, let's get you logged into your Squarespace account. Navigate to the Squarespace website. Once there, you'll see a login button. Click on that. You'll have a few options for how you want to proceed, but for simplicity and speed, click on Continue with Google. This will prompt you to select your Google account, so go ahead and click on the account you wish to use. Now that you're logged in, it's time to head over to your website dashboard. There's a link that specifically takes you to your Squarespace website, so click on that to move forward. Once you're in the back end of your site, you'll want to start the process of adding that subscribe button by going into the edit mode of your site. Look for the option to go to edit on your dashboard. Your next step is to add a block to your site. Squarespace makes this really easy with their add block feature. After clicking on it, you'll be presented with a variety of block options. Search for the RSS block and click on it because that's what you'll be using to create the subscribe functionality. After adding the RSS block, you'll notice an edit icon on the block. Click on this to proceed. This is where you specify which page you want users to subscribe to. It might be your blog page or any other page you regularly update with new content. Choose the page wisely because it's where your subscribers will be directed when they click the subscribe button. Finally, after selecting the page, make sure to click on Save to apply all your changes. And there you have it. You've successfully added a subscribe button to your Squarespace site. Remember, engaging and maintaining your audience is key to growing your online presence. This button is a simple yet effective step towards achieving that goal. Don't forget to test the button to make sure everything is working as expected. Encourage friends or colleagues to subscribe and see if it functions smoothly from a user's perspective. Adjustments and fine-tuning might be needed based on the feedback you receive. And that wraps up our quick tutorial on adding a subscribe button to your Squarespace site. I hope you found this guide helpful. Adding a subscribe button is a straightforward process, but it's an important tool in keeping your audience connected and engaged with your content. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to reach out with any questions or share your success stories in the comment section below.